Assalamu alaikum and hi. Welcome back to our channel Cosmos Physics, and this is another episode of astrophysics, another exciting episode about the astrophysics. Today we are talking about celestial objects and which we are observing in the night sky. We observe these objects in the night sky with the naked eye, and most of them are stars and galaxies and the star clusters. But in addition, we have also some dim objects which can be detected through telescopes, and also some very entirely dark objects like black holes, which can be detected due to their gravitational effects on other objects. First of all, we have the comets. These are the icy objects, icy chunks which vaporize. They have the chemicals which vaporize to produce the glowing gamma. They have the one bright head and a tail of gas and dust, long tails. Okay. Another, we have the stars. We observe them in the naked eye in the night sky. These stars are generates energy due to their hydrogen, due to the fusion of hydrogen. Okay, and all nearby stars are the part of the Milky Way galaxy, which we are observing in the night sky. We have the brown dwarfs. These are nearly stars but more massive than planets, but they don't have much fuel to sustain their life independently. So we have another object which is called the nebula. These are the glass clouds of the gas and the dust in the vast expanses of space and between stars. Many contain the regions of the star formation, and this breathtaking image is the Carina Nebula, um, which is a prominent and naked eye sky object. Then we have the star clusters. These star clusters, these are the large collection of the stars bounded together by the gravity, and there are the two types of the clusters. One is the globular cluster, another is open cluster. Next, we have another object which is the star remnants. When a giant star die, they leave various types of the remnant, and this always include a compact remnant of original star's core. And this ghostly look object in the is the gas and the dust debris ejected from the star, and it is exploded as the supernova. Next, we have the planets. These are the near spherical objects that orbit a star, and this is the uh, image of Mars. Next, we have the moons. These are the naturally occurring satellites and or objects which orbiting a planet, and there are the hundreds of the moons that have been identified in the solar system. Okay, then we have the galaxies, the collection of the star gas dust, nebula, star remnants, planets, and smaller bodies is called the galaxy. Four main types of the galaxies we have, which are the spiral, barred spiral, elliptical, and irregular. So here is the this is the image of the galaxy which is called the NGC 908, and it has a really very have a frantic rate of new star formation. So we have another uh, object, we have another thing, celestial object, which are called the galaxy clusters. These are not stars, these are the galaxies, and this is called the galaxy cluster. These are the group of so many galaxies which are gathered to form a galaxy clusters, and these galaxy clusters group together to form super clusters. Okay, and today my episode about the astrophysics is going to end. These celestial objects are observed through the telescopes, and we study them. Uh, and another object which I'm not mentioned here are the black holes, and these are not visible. We only uh, observe them and detect them due to their gravitational pulls. So for today, Allah Hafiz.